Looks like it hit on.
Well, that was a Mosko Moto rally ride. Good times. Alright, well, we're in Kamas, Utah, headed back to Elko, Nevada. We're gonna take the back way through Sundance. I think that's called Little Cottonwood Canyon. Ride that, then we'll cut up through Salt Lake, and lots of good riding around here. If you've never been to a Mosko Moto Dusty Lizard event, odds are you probably haven't, because that was the first one outside of Portland that they've done. I suggest you do what you can to get there. It's a great time, great people, lots of fun. Truly enjoyed. Pretty cool to see Utah as the fall colors turn. We're not quite there, but it's definitely in the works. Cool. Ah, this is beautiful. Wasatch County. Here we go. I think this is called Deer Creek Reservoir. Oh, we gotta get some water out west. We've about run out. It's pretty down there. Look at Mount Timpanogos. Uh-oh. Broke the old hot rod down. Mount Timpanogos. Holy crap. Take a look at this. Never thought I was usually wowed by all the colors, but I'm wowed by all the colors. This is beautiful. Wow. Look at the fall colors. Boy, you can't complain about this view. Wow. Oh, now this is awesome. Right now we're just heading up above the Sundance ski resort. We'll go up here and see if we can get some good views of that Mount Timpanogos.
Nice.
Is this pretty up here or what? What do you think?
That's beautiful.
This is worth a little detour, huh? Alright, well here we are in Sundance, Utah. We're gonna cruise Ruben and Manuel down through the little town, and then we'll head the rest of the way through. Sundance Mountain Resort. Look at that. I don't think I've ever seen Timpanogos in the summertime. This is Sundance. ADV, Utah, all the way from Alaska. Yeah, I've only been here when it's covered in snow. It's definitely pretty in the summertime too. Look at this. Awesome. Well, that's about it for the scenic part of the trip. We're headed into the rat race. The rat race at Salt Lake City. It's the rat race. Well, looks like traffic isn't too awful bad today. Oh, they have police motorcycles. Boy, that'd be a fun job. Ride your motorcycle all day. Throw the lights on and just rip it. Oh, it's a helicopter. Is that Heavy D's helicopter? I think it's Heavy D's helicopter. That might have been Heavy D's helicopter right there. Somebody made a dinosaur. It's a salt flat snake. Salt flat snake. Look how fresh these things look right now. Looks like quite a bit of the water evaporated off of them. I'm gonna try and talk these guys into taking a little run out there. I think it's probably way too soft right now. The Bonneville Speedway. Oh, look at that. They're camping out here in their bus. Can't believe that bus made it out there. Headed out to the Salt Flats. So tell me, what are you doing out here?
I'm just gonna go walk and clean my feet. That way, no more stinky feet.
Does it burn?
No, it feels good.
Huh, I would think it would burn.
Well, all this salt make you all the germs and everything.
Really?
The fungus.
Huh.
No more stinky feet, no more fungus.
You think it worked?
Yeah, it's gonna work.
It's gonna work?
Huh?
They're not rashed up or nothing?
No, it's good for a year.
It doesn't burn?
No, it doesn't burn, no.
You'd think the salt would burn.
No.
Huh.
No, this word is good for feet.
Yeah?
That way no more stinky feet. Yeah, serious. Yeah, it's true.
Really? It makes your feet not stink. No more stinky
No
feet.
more stinky feet, yeah.
Alright. Well, you heard it there. No more stinky feet. So when you wash your feet in the salt flats, how long does it last?
1 year.
1 year? And it's good for a year.
For a year.
You guarantee it?
And I come back again.
You come back every year?
No charge. No, they're free.
Okay. You want to race?
Just like my
You want a quarter mile? Okay. Somehow you ended up leading the group. Two guys that barely speak English and I know very little Spanish. Luckily, Manuel, he is an excellent translator and he kind of helps bridge that gap. and you cruise out through the hills, and these guys just trusted you to get them where they're going. And then you get to the salt flats, and Ruben teaches you how to keep from getting stinky feet. Once a year, you need to go to the salt flats and splash your feet around in that salty water out there, and you'll never have stinky feet. Ruben guarantees it. You heard it there. You heard it on the Adventure Glide channel. Ruben guarantees if you go wash your feet in the salt flats when they're all flooded like that, that you won't have stinky feet. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure his feet are refreshed. If you want to have fresh feet like Ruben, you better get out to the salt flats and get your feet in them. Oh, that's so funny. So when you're on a motorcycle road trip, that is how you cure stinky feet. Oh yeah. Boy, Manuel got that bike dirty. Oh, there he goes. Well guys, I want to thank you for watching the Adventure Glide channel. I hope you enjoyed this ride over to the Dusty Lizard Mosko Moto Rally over in Kansas, Utah, just outside of Park City. And looks like next weekend, Rose Bit will be joining all three of us, going back to Jarvidge for one more time this year. So that ought to be quite the ride. And one more thing, if you guys want to see more of Ruben's fresh feet, make sure you hit that like button. Let me know down in the comments, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of Ruben's tips. Oh, French feet Ruben, he's a lot of fun. Show off. Take him on a little detour through Star Valley. ADV Nevada, Star Valley.